Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today is going to be a very fun day. We are going to be unboxing something for my barbecue slash smoker. So this is a really exciting product and I just want to get into it right now. Right now I do all of my pizzas in the oven in my kitchen, and this is going to change things because it's going to allow me to bake pizza on my pizza barbecue slash smoker. Oh, this is going to be exciting. This product is made by a Canadian company, DAREBUILT'S, and you can check them out on their website at www.darebuilt.ca, and they are also on Amazon Canada. And I'll put all of that information underneath the video in the description box. So let's get into this. So really well packaged. So let's get into this. And this is extremely heavy. Oh, very solid, very well built. Wow. Oh, I am excited. So let's get into this. This is super heavy. So look at that. That is amazing. So many of you may be wondering what this is. This here takes the place of the traditional pizza stone that many of you may have in your traditional oven. The biggest problem with pizza stones, they crack. That's number one. And number two, they are just not thick enough to really retain a lot of oven heat that is needed when you're making pizza. So instead of going with a pizza stone, you can level up your game by going with this amazing product. And this here is a baking oven steel. Some people will call it just a pizza steel. And what you can do with this is make amazing pizzas and all kinds of different types of bread. Regular bread, sourdough bread. Just amazing results with this pizza steel. What's great about this pizza steel is that it's 3/8 of an inch thick. It holds more heat longer for multiple pizzas. And because this baking oven steel is so thick, you have less chance of scorching whatever you're baking. One of the things that you'll notice is that when you switch over to something like this versus a baking stone, you'll notice that the time between baking pizzas is lessened greatly because there's so much heat retention in the metal. So this is a Canadian-made product made by DAREBUILT. Their website is www.darebuilt.ca. So you can either visit their website or you can also go onto Amazon Canada. Just type in DAREBUILT and you're going to see all of their products, and they have a lot of them. So I'm just going to lift this up to show you what it looks like on the other side. The only thing that you need to do is just season this before you actually use it. But that is a very nice product. Oh, that is super heavy. The edges on it are very nice. They've all been smoothed down, so you're not going to cut yourself. And this is impressive. So I just wanted to mention that with your product, DAREBUILT does supply some really helpful information, step-by-step stuff if you need it, on how to season and how to take care of your new product. So I've got about 400 degrees on the smoker, and I'll check here, and we are at 533 degrees on the steel. We are ready to go. We'll get our nice pizza on. And there we go. We'll let that go. So we are at the 7-minute mark. And there we go. Oh my God, that looks amazing. Let me just get this out. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Oh, that is very hot. That looks amazing. So this is still nice and warm. I'm gonna get in here and just cut a slice. So I would say very good results. So this here is amazing pizza using my DAREBUILT pizza steel. And I'll put all of the information about the pizza steel down in the description box underneath the video, where you can go and click and you'll see all of DAREBUILT'S amazing products. And they are also on Amazon Canada. So here we go. Let's just take a look at that pizza. Nicely baked, a nice bottom, nice on the top. Let's go for a bite. Oh yeah, that is good. Sorry for the noise. It has just started to rain very heavily. But there we go. Amazing pizza. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.